So now this is anti-leak rose. Now let me arrange, I'll just arrange it exactly the way it is when it comes to the image. Then let me lock it. Scratch bar. Now the problem here is, how do we now make how do we now make this place now to, to enter that, to look real, as if is inside the ring already. So how do we do that? So now just take a look at what I will do. First of all, you position it very well. Are you seeing? Okay, so now look at how we are going to do that, how we are going to achieve that actually. So now you copy the background itself. I'm talking about the main background, just copy it. Now you pay attention that this is where we are actually, so this is where we are actually paying attention to. That's our main focus now. So what you do now, go to your eraser, increase your brush, increase here. Now erase carefully. All these places are not needed. All this side, they are not needed, they are not needed, they are not needed. They are not needed, they are not needed. Now when you're getting to the bottom part, now you have to be careful. Just the parts you don't need, just erase them carefully. Are you seeing? Sorry, let me quickly do that again. I made a mistake. So all you need to do, please watch this video to the end. Encourage me by subscribing, by sharing with your friends. And if you have any issues you're facing as a graphic designer, this is the time actually. This is the time. So what I did was I just entered the time, and this is the time. So I head over to my 3D rotate, then I rotated it like this. That you make it your white. Then you choose it as your color. Then your shutdown should be the same thing as well. But now you're using a different color, which is this, but the same format. Are you seeing dark yellow, light yellow, dark yellow? Professionally, we call it tint and theme. No, tint and shade. Yeah, tint and shade professionally. So this is how it is. And I realize a lot of graphic designers are actually having issues in terms of alignments than design itself. Because of late you guys normally pay attention to all those eye cache things, like the trendy flyers and the rest. All those things, they are okay, but at the same time, if you don't know the basic, I keep on telling my student that once you don't know the basic of graphic design, there's no need chasing after the secondary aspects. You just come into someone's end, and the first question you're asking is, "Sir, how can I enhance picture?" It's obvious you're asking based on trend. So you feel like if I'm able to enhance picture, then that means people will think that I'm good. The truth is, if you don't know these basic things like the alignment aspect and the rest, you can't. There's nothing you're doing. You're not doing anything at all, which is bad. So just pay attention to the basic things why you make plans to know the secondary things. Are we together? So now let's just go back to our design. So semi-final battle, road to the finals. Okay. So all those ones, they are just the this thing, the write-up that are there. So let me put the money first, 3k, 4k. So let me put the 3k for the tickets. Just put the 3k for the ticket, then the rest can be done. The rest can be done by you guys. So let me also bring back this one. Oh, let's bring it down. Though we can still try to rotate it if we are not getting that, you know, that feel.